Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how you can set up a Facebook campaign. So let's see. The easiest way of setting a Facebook campaign is just log into your Facebook account. So as you can see, I have logged in into my Facebook account. Then you need to go to here, these 6 dots, 9 dots, and then go to add. Now it has redirected me to facebook.com/ads manager. Okay. So here, whenever you will click on this, it will show you all your campaigns which you have created. Okay. And here is the home. So whenever you will click on this icon, so it is saying campaigns. So whichever campaigns you have created, it will list on all your campaign details. So you can see I have created 4 campaigns. It's saying results from 4 campaigns. And whenever you want to run this campaign, you just need to turn it on, and then this campaign will run. But before that, let's get familiar. Before that, let's get familiar with other icons of this interface. So here, by clicking here, you can see all tools. Okay. So these are all tools. Here you can see Ads Manager. So we are in the Ads Manager, and when you click on Events Manager, let's see. So this is Events Manager. Now let's go to billing. Like if you want to add money to your Facebook account, you need to go to billing. Go to billing, and you need to add money from here. Just add funds from here, and whatever amount you want to add to your Facebook account, you can add that one. And here you are getting the option of debit or credit card, UPI or Paytm. Okay, so let's say when I clicked on UPI, you can see so it's saying please enable pop-ups and click on refresh to complete your purchase in the pop-up window. So you need to activate pop-up window. So here you can see this one. Here it is a cross. Okay, so by removing this one, always allow pop-up. This will allow you to add money to your Facebook account, and it will allow the pop-up. Because of that, I was not getting redirected to my account. Now here you can just enter your UPI ID and then click on proceed, and it will redirect you to your UPI payment, and just complete that process. And here you can see the transaction ID, date, amount, how much amount you just added to your Facebook account, Facebook Ads Manager. Okay, and if you want to download and see, you can do that as well. Again, let's go to account quality. So I'm having 3 pages that is listing it down here, and my account name is this one. I haven't run any ads from here, so it's saying no ads rejected. Meta ads account, from there I can see how many accounts I'm having. Events manager, when you want to connect your Facebook account, your this ad account to your website, then you need to add those details from data source. Add account settings. Let's see this one. So here you can just change some details like add account setup, like payments, manage payments. Here you can change that part. Account, you can just restrict it to some limit. Account spending limit, payment methods, activity. Add account roles. If you want your ad account to be shared with other people, then you can use that one. Like it will be like 2 people managing your same ad account. From here you can see audience insights. So whenever you want to create a new campaign, you just need to get into this one, create button, and then create a campaign. You just need to name this campaign and select the ad set and name the ad and go to continue. So it will just create a campaign for you, and then again you need to go to the campaign and then set the targeting options. Okay, so that we will see in next video. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. Do let me know if you have any questions related to Facebook ads. I will help you out. Thanks for watching.